Hello dear fans. How to calculate the square root of a number. The operation of calculating the root of any number means finding a value such that multiplying this value by itself as many times as indicated in the root exponent results in the radical number. If the exponent of the root is equal to 2, then such a root is called square. When it comes to calculating the square root, the computer user has several options to choose from. Instructions. Step 1. Use a calculator to calculate the roots with an exponent of 2 square. A link to launch the calculator can be found in the Utilities section of the Standard subsection of the All Programs section of the main Windows OS menu. To calculate the square root in its interface, there is a button marked with SQRT symbols, from square root. Step 2. Use the calculator built into the search engines Nigma or Google if you want the easiest way to find out the value of the square root of any number. For example, if you need to calculate the root of the number 989, then go to the main page of any of these search engines and enter the query root of 989. The notation used in the Windows calculator to denote this operation can be used here as well. The SQRT 989 query will also be correctly processed by the search engine. Step 3. Use the built-in root function if you can use the spreadsheet editor, Microsoft Word, Excel to solve the problem. To do this, start the application and enter the radical number in the first cell. Then go to the cell in which you want to see the result of the calculation, and click on the Insert Function button. It is located above the table, to the left of the formula bar. Step 4. In the dialog that opens, select the mathematical item in the category drop-down list, and then click the root in the list of functions and click the OK button. In the Function Arguments window that opens, specify the cell with the radical number, just click on it with the mouse. Click OK. Excel calculates and displays the square root value. After that, you will be able to change the radical number, and the square root value for the new value will be displayed in the cell with the formula. Thanks for watching.